Algebra 2 students or juniors who are seeing this. Now, the pink sheet is basically the equivalent of Mr. Lindsay's blue sheet. And what this is going to have is all you need from your past classes to do well on the ACT. Now, what this is going to cover is big ideas that appear on the math test. And some of the ones that we're actually going to cover are like Pythagorean theorem, we're going to cover things like just some examples. Parallel lines, cut by transversals, other things would be like y equals mx plus b, slope, things like this. And what I'm going to do is create like videos 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 that are going to cover these different ideas. And then I'm going to have the master pink sheet, and I'm going to fill in how I would fill in the pink sheet, and then I want you to fill in your pink sheet. You'll get your pink sheet in class, and if you lose it, all you have to do is get another pink sheet from me, and we can fill it all in after that. You want to make the pink sheet with a little idea in the front or in the back. I will spend some more time kind of going over the ideas as we go through it. But the pink sheet is, like I said, a one-stop shopping guide for all the big ideas that are from the past that we aren't talking about in Algebra 2 that you can refer back to and study from in order to do well as you can on the ACT. But remember, the best prep for the ACT is hard work, study as much as you can, and take accountability for it. I mean, you can watch all the videos you want, you can write all the pink sheets that you want, you can do whatever you want. You will do well if you want to do well. And if you want to do well, what's going to happen is you will study and you will put in the hard work if you take accountability for it. That's the best prep. If you don't buy in, that's what this is. This is your buy-in. If you don't buy in, then you're going to find a way not to do the hard work. You're going to find a way not to study. So it has to be a buy-in. It has to be you're willing to do the work. You're willing to sit down and study and commit time to do well on it. You can't just hope that your math teacher, me, Mr. Lindsay, or Mrs. Upham, are going to get this done for you. That's not the case. We can't get it done for you. You have to do it yourself. And that's the biggest thing. So, this is the big ideas for the pink sheet. And we'll get started as soon as you start clicking on the next videos as they become available.